All right, welcome to week 3. So this week we're going to be talking a lot about communications and team management. So we combined sort of 3 topics really. One is just overall leadership kind of management of a team, a development team. The other is some of the specific administrative aspects of running, resourcing, and doing those kinds of things with a team. And then the third is communications in general, which is obviously very critical to running the team, but also reaches out into the other set of stakeholders that we identify, and then we talk through how we manage all the communications that. So, typical week, we'll operate it like we did before. You're going to have a discussion, some assignment. We're going to be looking at creating a communications plan for the project, given all the stakeholders that you have. We'll have a quiz. We're also going to get our first memo this week from project management. So as you've created the project schedule now, get that project off and running, we're going to start to get communications this week in the simulation aspect of this course from leadership in the company telling us what they think of it, what needs to change, any sort of dynamics that are happening along, and we'll have to respond to those as part of the course. So get excited. It's a good week, and we'll get started now.